Have you ever stood in front of a completely full closet and felt like you had absolutely nothing to wear? Most women think they need more clothes, but honestly, usually the real problem is that nothing in the closet is working together. Hi friends, I'm Tami from Wings to Fly, and around here we talk about simple style for real women, especially women who are juggling life, changing seasons, changing bodies, and trying to feel like themselves again without making getting dressed another full-time job. And if your closet has started feeling overwhelming lately, this is the video for you. Why do closets feel overwhelming? I think a lot of us slowly build closets based upon one emotional purchase at a time. We buy the shirt that was cute, the pants that were on sale, the print that made me happy, or that piece that was for someday. And before we know it, we have lots of clothes, but not many actual outfits. And that's our big difference. So let's take a real shift. The goal isn't owning more. The goal is going to be creating more connection between the pieces you already own and making more connections in the future. Because that's when getting dressed starts to feel a little easier. So let me demonstrate a little bit about what I'm talking about. We've got this beautiful printed top here in fantastic colors, but something that you might not know what to work with. If it only works with one thing in your closet, it becomes kind of a lonely outfit or a lonely item. But if you find a pair of pants that go with it, and even maybe a top or a cover that matches, suddenly you've got an outfit. And when you use that for a color palette for another outfit, and you find a second piece to go with it, now you're starting to create some connections. And these pieces are usually the pieces women skip because they don't feel exciting. But these are often the pieces, these fantastic, simple covers that make your closet work. I think sometimes we try to solve overwhelm by adding more choices. But more choices don't always create more peace. Sometimes a calmer closet comes from knowing what works together, knowing what feels like you, and having a few simple pieces that connect everything else. So here's the simple takeaway. If your closet has been feeling overwhelming lately, don't start by trying to replace everything. Start by asking yourself what pieces in my closet actually help create more outfits. That little shift can completely change how getting dressed feels. So here's what I want you to do. If you'd like a really simple visual guide to help remember this, I created a free guide showing you how one piece can connect to multiple outfits. You can grab that simply by downloading it below. And if you enjoy simple style tips that help real women feel more confident without the overwhelm, I'd love to have you subscribe and come hang out with us. Go put on something that makes you smile today, and I'll see you soon.